Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make APA format in Google Docs. First, open a new document and set your margins to 1 inch on all sides. Next, select a professional font such as Times New Roman at 12-point size. Then, create your title page, including your paper's title, your name, and your institutional affiliation, all centered and double-spaced. This foundational setup is crucial for APA compliance. Now, let's tackle citations. When you quote or paraphrase, insert an in-text citation with the author's last name and publication year. At the end of your paper, create a new page titled References. List all your sources alphabetically, ensuring each entry has a hanging indent. Google Docs Ruler tool can help you achieve this precise formatting easily. Organizing your paper with headings is key to APA style. Utilize up to 5 levels of headings to structure your content logically. For example, a Level 1 heading is centered and bolded. Remember to maintain consistent double spacing throughout your entire document, including between headings and paragraphs. This structure enhances readability and clarity for your audience. Before submitting, always perform a final review. Check every detail against an APA-style guide or checklist to catch any missed formatting. Leverage Google Docs' built-in spell check and grammar tools for a polished final product. Also, for those looking to improve their financial literacy, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.